So today's video is all about what really went down at Phyno final live concert in Enugu State yesterday, Easter Sunday, and trust me, it was so massive. Phyno literally shut down the entire venue. Honestly, the energy, the crowd, the performances, everything was on another level, my people. Now, if you're not based in Enugu State or you're in Enugu but couldn't attend for one reason or another, don't worry, this video has got you covered because today is all about showing you the highlights. We're about to show you everything, and I mean everything, from his arrival at the airport to the kind of welcome he got, pure vibes, traditional culture, energetic. Those sweet Ogene displays set the tone immediately. Then his visit to the venue. Wait till you see the setup. My goodness. The stage, the lights, the crowd already building up. You could tell this was going to be big. And of course, the performances. Some big names came through to support him. I don't even want to start mentioning names. But you know, Olamide Bado was there. And the crowd did not hold back at all. But hold on, did you also know he even brought VDM on stage? Yeah, that moment got people talking. You definitely want to see how that played out. And that's not even all. Do you also know that Phyno's daughter actually performed with him on stage? My goodness, that was one of the most emotional and beautiful moments of the night. Honestly, this is one concert you don't want to miss, and we've got all the highlights right here for you. So stay with us. Let's take you through how it all went down in Enugu State yesterday.
Run me up my money, shooting on a hurry, voice of which I'm running. Except that he puts his screen on this other side for this.
What's my friend guy?
When I hear me, yeah. I'm not telling me I'm not big bro for the same compound. A big bro, man. Well, what? Let's say within number 5 is within street. So this is my brother right here, you know? not face with it. Okay, you know what? This is not the time for this conversation. I love my brother so much. I'm so proud of you. You know? So now let's take it to the next stage. Are you Hold on, my brother. I have a request. That's a request, but one request, and I'm serious. Everybody listen. I'm just gonna say, whether you answer me or not, that's on you, but I have a request. Do you want to hear my request? My brother, withdraw the case. Do it for me. I know I didn't tell you about this, but withdraw the case. We love you. And I mean, thank you so much. Don't be disappointed about the way. But that's withdraw the case. Everybody give it up for VDM one time.